जाओ हमारे लिए खाना लेके आओ. Go bring food for your queen.
I'm just living for today. For a minute I don't stay. I just visit, have no shame. I admit it. Looking right at me to see if I succeed, to see if I believe they're looking up to me.
Good morning guys and welcome back to my channel, The Fit Bomb Girl. And you know what this channel is all about and what we are doing here. But for all my subscribers who are new here, first of all, thank you for subscribing. Welcome to my life. And what are we doing here? I am taking you guys through my prep series and I had my competition in December. So we are preparing for it together. And today is Saturday. I will be taking you through an intense squat session which I will be training with Mayank again and crying all the way through for my decision to train with him. And we will also do some fun Q&As. You guys have asked me like so many questions on my Instagram Q&A and I have kept the best one for this vlog because some of the questions are just very subjective and I would need just more than 15 seconds to answer them. So that's what we are going to do today. So let's get started. Best part is I woke up today on my lightest weight. I am like under 50 kilos right now, which is like insane. My coach is gonna be so happy because it's so difficult for my body to get lean. Like I can't even explain, and we are looking good today. But right now, let's go have some coffee, read a book, and irritate Mayank. That's like my favorite move to do all the time. जाओ हमारे लिए खाना लेके आओ. Go bring food for your queen. Don't. So, getting to the first question that you guys have asked is are my parents supportive of me doing bodybuilding? And the answer is yes, they are. In fact, they are more excited than I am actually. My mom has picked up words like gaining and shredding and peak week and salt cut, water cut, all these things. And she keeps asking me all this thing on a daily basis, and that's just so cute that they are trying to be a part of my whole journey, and actually they are. My parents have always been very supportive, and I am just so lucky to have them as my parents. It's actually my entire family, and they are very supportive, and they're like just with us this entire time when I and Mayank we are doing the prep. Like Durga Puja is in like next 2 weeks, and initially our plan was to go for to and visit our hometown during Durga Puja, but then we cancelled it, and they were very supportive about it. They were a little upset, but they said, yeah, you know what, right now your prep is most important to you. Durga Puja आते जाते रहेंगे, next year आ जाना, पर इस साल अपने prep पे ध्यान दो, अच्छे से compete करो. We want to see you there, you know, fulfilling your dreams, living your dreams. And I don't know, I will you know, fall short of words if I have to explain how supportive my parents are for both me and Mayank. They are just unbelievably supportive, and I am just so glad about it. Let's get ready for our workout. Now we will take one more question. Oh boy, so this question is quite big. How did you guys meet? The protein you use, how many times you train, legs and abs, and favorite part of my training. So I and Mayank, we actually meet during our shoot for our sports apparel brand, and then the rest is history. Favorite part of my training, I love training delts and I love training with Mayank. So whenever I'm working out with Mayank, it's very intense and I love working out with him. Next is which protein I use. I am not very brand specific, and right now I think we are using Muscle Blaze. Both of us, we are not very brand specific. Whatever good brand we get, whatever good protein we get, we just take it that way. It's not much of a deal. And last is how many times I train abs and legs. I don't train abs at all actually, but I do have a lot of compound exercises in my training which actually also take a lot of effect on strengthening your core. But specifically abs, I don't train much, maybe once a week. And legs, currently I am training my legs 3 times a week on every alternate days. So one day is quad focused, one day is glute focused, and one day is hamstring focused. And today is going to be quad focused. While I get my pre-workout in, I'll answer one more question, and you guys know what I am eating. If you know, just write down in the comments what I am eating. I know you guys know. My pre-workout meal is everyday same. So the next question is, how did you get into bodybuilding? Quite subjective, but I'll keep it short. How did I get into bodybuilding? Sacha, I mean,
Hey,
don't show me, don't show me. बीच में खुद ही आएगा फिर खुद ही बोलेगा डोंट शो मी, मैं सेलिब्रिटी हूँ. So in 2019 my paths crossed with a person who is now my close friend and who was also my coach for my first competition, Yuga Prakash. So he saw me and he told me that you have a good build already. Why don't you try into bodybuilding? And that time I had zero idea about what this thing is. So many bikini competitors over Instagram, their stories and stuff. So I just did a little bit of research and I realized that this is something I would like to do. And that's how we started prepping for my first show. We just prepped for like 1.5 months and that's it. So on a very short notice, I just went to Bangalore from Pune, took leaves from my office for straight 2 weeks. I had nobody with me to help me understand the entire process or everything. But Yuva really helped me, understand everything and get on stage there. And that's how I got into bodybuilding. And once that was done, I started researching about more shows, where other shows are happening and everything. And that's really how I got into bodybuilding. I'm just loving this lifestyle. So we are off to gym and I'm going to answer one more question. So the next question is, what is my current weight, macros and current training and cardio routine? So my current weight as of today morning is 50.6 and my current macros, I have already given all the details in my last vlog, in my full day of eating. So check out that vlog and you will get to know all the details. And current training is, currently I'm training 6 times a week. Alternate days lower body, alternate days upper body. In upper body I'm training mostly back and delts, and in lower body I am training for glutes and hamstring. One muscle focused for each day. Let me know if you guys want to see my training routine in detail, so I'll make a vlog on that. Current cardio routine is 60 minutes cardio every day from Monday to Sunday. 30 minutes in the morning and 30 minutes in the 30 minutes in the evening. So that's about it. Now let's go and let's get some quadalicious workouts done.
Hey man, how the hell you doing?
reps ले लेंगे. Sound is too much. But there's a question कि how many repetitions to do if you are trying to gain strength or attain hypertrophy. So basically both are the same thing. आपको strength gain करना है, इसका मतलब आपको hypertrophy logic follow करना है. So for if you're doing heavy compound exercises, you can keep a rep range between 6 to 8 while increasing the number of load you are using. And then for isolation exercises, you can keep a rep range between 10 to 12. Now this rep range is just a straight number to give, and it will totally differ as per your training program and as per your goals as well. So abhi we are going to do leg press. We will do 7 sets of 10 repetitions each while increasing the number of load that we are carrying. We are taking the foot placement inside so that it comes more on the teardrop area than on the front quarter. We are gonna check whose squat is bigger. You tell me. What's up guys? So we are done with our workout. Master नीचे पे लेती हूँ मैं. I'll take like 2 more questions. So the next question is, hi coach, how difficult it is to manage work, coaching and prep for the competition? So the point is, it's not that difficult because that's what I do all around the year. So training hard or following my diet is not new that I'm suddenly doing because I need to get prepared for a competition. I do this all year round. So this is pretty much my routine throughout the year. The only difference is that now I am doing a little bit more cardio, and now the diet is little bit stricter and rigid than it is for the rest time of the year. But apart from that, everything else is pretty much same. This is my life. No social life. And here comes the last question. So, what inspired me to get into bodybuilding? And she has asked me to show before after photo. So, I'll show my before photo right here when I just started working out and uh, at the very beginner level, just started working out. This is the photo right here. And what got me into bodybuilding, I just got interested into it because I just fell in love with the disciplined lifestyle. I know that sounds so maybe idiotic to many people. किसको पसंद है disciplined lifestyle? मुझे पसंद है. Talk to me. I like disciplined lifestyle क्योंकि I don't function well if there is no discipline in my day-to-day activities. I just need everything in place and everything just chopped out. So that's what got me into bodybuilding. Plus, this bodybuilding has changed me in many different ways, not just physically but also mentally and emotionally. I am a stronger person now. I have more control over my fooding habits. I have a better relationship with food, and I just train hard every day. And the knowledge that I have gained over the past few years, I cannot be more grateful for that. So, with that note, let's end this vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you are new here, make sure that you subscribe to this channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.